Stand your foot in. If you can't dance, just wiggle your tootsie. All nations side for the rebel arrangement. Rebel engagement, peace and the lover. Calypso dancer, punk step and dub up. New wave, old wave, genre defined. Spitting on the A-list, we know the line is the application of the citation is the iration of gyration is the inclination of them that's inclined to keep the thing mindful. Tis the bigger picture. Biblical descendants, scribes are no scripture. Articulation of the incantation is the foundation of the emancipation is the let's get to know we're too cool. Keeping them cuts of cold is true school. Far from the regular, nothing you used to. Them kind of stylish, something supposed to. Mind and soul in tune and boost too. Cooler than cool. So let's get to know we're too cool. Keeping them cuts of cold is true school. Far from the regular, nothing you used to. Them kind of stylish, something supposed to. Mind and soul in tune and loose too. Cooler than cool. Mind weight, ready walk roads are many sign distraction, many find time for tubby bye-bye. Me or my or me, tis it so simplistic. Child's play, man's play, could it be sadistic? Headspace locked to them plastic gods, it's too much. It's too many reasons to keep deceiving and keep it believing in the oobla rah rah. The slogan is the crocodile pain, the crocodile tears. You don't really need that brand new nose, and you don't really need slave shoes and slave clothes, but we're far too busy to keep our mind privy to the blessed.